I have been dreaming about a World Midwifery Conference here sometime. We've got a gymnasium that can be used as a venue. We have that new back deck. We've got a cafeteria, fully stocked cafeteria. We've got bunk beds galore. We've got, we can accommodate up to 1,000 people here. I've seen it happen. Lots of tent space. But to have a Maui World Midwifery Conference in a place that is so vital and full of energy. And the whales, of course, give birth here on Maui and bring their kikis into this bay. So that has been a dream of mine. Maybe that'll happen. I'm pushing toward that. Every time somebody comes that's associated with midwifery, I'm going, hey, we should have a midwifery conference.
Tell me about the whales.
Oh, the whales come every winter. That's kind of a phenomenon of Maui. And then toward March, when they go back to Alaska, they stop in here and they frolic and play with the babies and all that. And when people stay here, they go, are those whales? And they're just like in awe of the fact that there's whales. There's spinner dolphins, and I hear there's a school of hammerhead shark down there, and all sorts of. Because it's very deep. It's very deep and cold, and the water's crystal clear and pure.
Do they have their babies at home or in the hospital?
The whales? I gotta give that some thought.
I mean, it's kind of interesting, isn't it? Animals are such a great way. Like, I don't know where I was seeing it, but they were talking about how animals, if you disrupt their birth process, like what will happen to them is not good.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yet we do it to ourselves. We do it to our own race, our own.
What's with that?
Yeah. What's with that?
It's cold there.
Control? I don't know.
Look at the shade of green on that grass.
Wow. That's amazing.
I just love looking at green.
It's beautiful.
So many shades of green.
Wow. Yes, there is.
Punctuated with orange and then yellow.
Yeah. I'm almost out of battery. Do you have anything else that you'd like to say before we go back to the house? Because that would be pretty if you're standing right there. I'll just let you say anything you want.
Anything else?
Anything you feel inspired.
Come to K&I if you'd come to Hawaii. I believe this is one of the most powerful energetic spots on the planet. Right as where we're standing, in that field especially. The energy here is so powerful, and if you need to rejuvenate your physical body and your spiritual body, just come here and walk around. Just take a walk. It's really simple. There's no practice to do or thoughts to think. You just walk around and look around and just be in gratitude. Be in gratitude and live your life from then on in gratitude. To me, that's the secret to good health, living in gratitude, because we have so much to be grateful for, especially in our society. And you can multiply that gratitude by just walking around here. It quantumly magnifies. It's just like, oh, thank you, you're welcome, thank you, you're welcome, thank you, thank you. And then all of a sudden you're changed. Literally. Transformed just by the simple act of being here now. So my invitation is to come over here and check it out. Look, I'm into the rocks. There's more area over there. It's not as scenic because the trees, you can't see the peninsula.
Okay.
My job here is to maintain the yard, maintain the buildings, and whatever children's activities come up, I'm kind of the guy in charge of showing kids a good time. I don't have a designation, but I take care of all their extracurricular activities. I take them to the Arboretum, which is just across the street and down the hill, and then the taro patches, the nature hikes, which thousands of them. Right down here, there's a hike. So yeah, I do that too. It's fun.